Good morning, students. My name is Sagar Wilson, and I'm your maths teacher. So, for the sixth class today, we will be studying the chapter that is number system. So, what is a number system? Number system is basically the presentation by which we express a number into different forms. So, the first type of presentation that we have is the Roman number system. In this, we write the numbers in different kind of form. Like for 1, we write like this. For 2, we write like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. So this is how we write the Roman numbers. But for the second form, we have, this is the first Roman number form. The second is Hindu-Arabic system. So in Hindu-Arabic system, we use the numbers which we conventionally use always, that is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and continuously these numbers are known as the Hindu-Arabic system, and the first I have told you that was the Roman number system. Now the thing is, we are having these numbers which we use conventionally everywhere. हम हमेशा इन्हीं नंबरों को हर जगह यूज करते हैं. तो हमारे पास दो अलग अलग तरीके हैं इनको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए, इनको अरेंज करने के लिए. हमारे पास दो अलग अलग तरीके के सिस्टम हैं. तो जो सबसे पहला सिस्टम है उसको हम कहते हैं, द फर्स्ट वन विच वी हैव विद अस इज द इंडियन place value chart. So according to the Indian place value chart, the number is categorized into different position according to their sequence. Like first, I will draw you the place value chart. That is, first we will having the So this is the place value chart, that is the Indian place value chart. Now if we have to arrange any number in this, so how we are going to arrange this? Now I will give you the description of this chart. So first is the column, that is the 100 column. So that in this we are having three subdivisions, like you can see here. The first one is the ones, tens and 100. So this is the ones, tens and 100. All these three things come under the 100. Now after these three digits we go on to the next column, that is the 1000 column. And again we are having the two different types of division. That is, the first one is the 10,000. This th represents 10, t represents 10, and th means 10,000. Sorry, th represents 1000 and th represents 10,000. So this is the 1000 and this is the 10,000. Now moving further, we will have the lakh column. The first one is the lakhs and the second one is the 10 lakh. And again we are having the next column, that is the first one is the crores and the next one is the 10 crores. So this is the sequence and arrangement of an Indian place value chart. Now if we have to arrange a number in this chart, so how are we going to arrange this number? So now let's see how we can arrange a number. Like if we have a number, that is first number, like we have 9247. We are having a number 9247. So when we are going to arrange this, we are going to arrange this from the back sides. First we are going to arrange the last digit. Now you can see that the 7 is on the ones digit, ones place. So we are going to keep 7 under ones. So 7 will come under ones. Now next we are having 4. So 4 is on the tens place. So 4 will come here. Next is 2. So 2 is on the 100th position. So 2 will come on the 100 part. And the next one is 9. So 9 is on the 1000 part. So 9 will come here. So now what will be the alphabetical sequence of this number? So it will become 9247. Is it clear to you? Now it will become 9247. Clear? So this is how we place a number in a Indian place value chart. For example, now we are having another number, like we are having one more number like 496380 and 2. Now we are having another number. So how we are going to arrange this? You simply have to arrange this number from the back side. So using the first number, that is 2, so keep the number 2 on the last place, so it will come under the ones digit. Next one is 0, so it will come here. 8 will come here. 3 will come on this place. 3 will be going in the 1000 part. Now the 6 will come under 10,000. 9 will come under lakh part, and 4 is going to be under 10 lakh. So this is how we have placed all the digits in the chart. So now what will be the sequence and presentation of this number? It will be 49 lakhs. Now we are not going to say that 4, 10 lakhs and 9 lakhs. It is not like that. It will be 49 lakhs because this is one chart, one column. As I told you earlier also, this is one thing and these two are the subdivisions of this thing. So like it will not be 4, 10 lakhs and 9 lakhs. It will be 49 lakhs. And next also it will be 63,000. So 49 lakh 63,802. And why it is 802? Because you can see that on the tens place there is nothing, it is 0. So we will say it 802. So the whole sequence will be 49 lakh 63,802. So this is how we place an Indian place value chart, and this is how we arrange the numbers in the Indian place value chart. So please, all of you, please note down this thing, and please note down both of these examples and write down the sequence of both of these numbers in your copy. Okay. Now, first we have studied about the Indian place value chart. Now, next we are going to study about the international place value chart. So, please note down the second one also. So this is the international place value chart, as you can see here. Now, first we have given a numeral is first. Let's understand this table. So here we have got 100,000, million. We have not got lakhs and crores here. Straight away we have got million, and then we have got billion. So in the 100 we have got three different subcategories, that is ones, tens, and 100. In 1000 we have got 1000, 10,000, and 100,000. Here TH represents 1000, T represents 10, and TH represents 1000, and H represents 100, and TH represents 1000. So this is 1000, 10,000, and 100,000. This is million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, and 10 billion. So now first example that is we have got here is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, and 2. So here we have got a number which we have to place in this international place value chart. हमें इस नंबर को इस इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में अरेंज करना है. तो हम उसी तरीके से अरेंज करेंगे जैसे हमने पिछली बार अरेंज किया था. हम इसको फिर से पीछे से ही अरेंज करेंगे. वी हैव टू अरेंज दिस होल series of numbers from the backward direction. So first we are going to place the last number, that is 2. So 2 will be placed under 1, so it will be here. Next number is 0, so it will come here. 6, 5, 4, 3, and 1. So here we have arranged all the numbers in the table. So what we can see here, what arrangement that we have got here is that will be 1,345,602 will be the sequence. Now if we write this, it will be 1,000,000 300 and 40 5,000 600 and 2. So this will be the arrangement and sequence of this number in international place value chart. As you can see here, the 1 comes under the million, so it will be 1,000,000. 3, 4 and 5 comes under 1000 category, so it will be 300 because here is 100, 340 because here it is tens, so 345,000, and 6 comes under 100, so 600, and we don't have anything under 10, so it will be 0, and here we have 2, so it will be 602. So whole sequence will be 1,345,602. So this will be the sequence of the whole number under the international place value chart. So now if we have a second example, now take the second example. This was the first example, so now the second example, the number is 5, 6, 8, 3, 2, 0, 1, 6, 5, 4. So we are having a number here. Now we have to arrange this number in the international place value chart. So again we are going to arrange this number from the back side. So the first number is 4, so keeping the number under the tens one, so it is here 4, 5, 6, 1, 0, 2, 3, 8, 6 and 5. So you can see here we have arranged all the numbers here. So what will be the sequence now we will get from this number? So it is 5 billion, because you can see the 5 is coming under the billion category. So it is 5 billion 6,684 will be the sequence. So please write down the sequence. It is 5 billion 683,000,000 201,000 201 thousand 654 6 100 and 54. So this will be the arrangement of a number in international place value chart. So this is how international place value chart looks like. This is the international place value chart, and this is how we arrange the numbers, and this is how we write both the numbers in the international place value chart. So please note this table and both of these example in your copies. Okay, so please note this down. So today we learned about the number system. What is a number system? The two different types of number system, that is the Roman number system and the Hindu-Arabic system. And in the Hindu-Arabic system, we learned about Indian place value chart and international place value chart. So this is all about today's class. In the next classes, we are going to study further about these topics. So that's all for today. Thank you.